am going to make a easy kalanga mean recipe for the bachelors and beginners. Now I have taken quarter kg of kalanga mean. Already I have made the coconut paste of 2 pieces like this and then made it a smooth paste. In that I have added 1 green chilli, half an onion and half tomato. Make a coarse paste of it, and then I am adding the other half of the onion and half tomato and 2 green chilies for the gravy. Add any oil 1 tablespoon and then add the onion, 2 green chilies and the pieces of 1 tomato. I have taken 300 grams of kalanga mean or ladybird fish to cook. Fry the onion, tomatoes and chilies at low flame well so that it becomes soft. Add 3/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry it well till the raw smell goes. This is one method. The other method is mix all the masalas and together and then add sufficient water and 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil and keep it on the stove and allow it to cook. When it becomes half, then we have to add the fish. This is also another method. Now in this method we are frying the masala and then cooking it. When the masala smell goes, we have to add the coarse paste which is already made and mix it well. Fry it for 1 minute. Half a spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Fry it by adding little water. Fry it for 2 minutes. Then add half a spoon of garam masala. That's all. You have to fry it well. If you want, you can add the cumin powder for the taste. My mother never used to add cumin powder to this. Okay, now the flavor comes. Now add sufficient water. Now close it. Let it cook for 7 minutes. Now the gravy has become half, so I am adding little salt to it. Adding fish. I have made it into 2 pieces. Now slowly mix it. That's all. Allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Now add little oil to it. Close it. That's all. After 4 or 5 minutes, we have to open and see. can see the fish is well cooked and the gravy is also there. Now we have to sprinkle the coriander leaf. And those who are interested, you can add a spoon of ghee over it. It will give you a very good taste. And leave it for 2 minutes at low level for simmering. That's all. The fish is ready to serve after 2 minutes at simmering. Our lady's bird gravy, very simple, tasty, easy, is ready to take with the rice. Hope you will follow my procedure, masalas. Enjoy this recipe and please write your comments, give me watch time and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, my dear viewers.